Yes, good morning, members. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about Google Drive. So here, the first thing I wanted us to appreciate is how Google Drive works and what is it exactly. So Google Drive is more like a cloud storage by Google service, whereby it provide or give us chances or opportunity to save our documents in Google, and which doesn't need even storage of your device. It provides a safe storage for our documents, for our images, and so on, whatever things you want to store. You can easily store it in Google Drive, irrespective of the storage capacity. So Google gives you that chance to store your device, whereby you can easily access in any computer anywhere. You can open it from any computer and access your documents. So here we go. So how can we access our Google Drive? So to create a Google Drive, first of all, it needs you to have a Google account. Yes. So it is that Google account that you will use to save always your things in its drive. So here is a simple step. You have to go to your Google account. So when it opens like this, you tap there. Then you go to the right hand corner in this thing we are surrounding, where my cursor is rotating around. So you have to tap and you look for Google Drive. So we have our drive here just in the first line, the first column, the first row. So here is the drive. So we're gonna click it like that, then it opens. So in most cases, some of your documents you can save here. Actually, when you saving your work, it gives a number of options. Do you want to save in a drive, in your desktop, or as a documents? So that options of saving, you get it when you saving your documents. In the previous videos, we learned how to save our documents. Even in the phones can do the same. So after saving it on drive, so you have to follow now this procedure we have just followed to access them from the drive. Okay, so assuming we had already saved it in drive, we are going to find it here as together with this list setting. So these are the items which are saved under Google Drive. So as simple as this, that is how it is done. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and like my page. See you in the next video.